Hello my flourishing friends, another Sunday, another craft day, yay! Today you're gonna get another of those encouragement cards I already talked about in my last video. This time it's green. I know it's the second green thing I do on my channel so far. Yeah, green is my absolute favorite color in the world, so that's why you just have to live with that. and if it's perfectly with the theme for today, so yeah, let's dive in. Today's quote I would like to put on my card is "Make your own luck." And I thought about that card while I was actually walking my dog the other day and saw those thousands and thousands of 3-leaf cloves, and I actually picked one and pressed and dried it. I think it fits quite well with the quote because we all have to make our own luck. We're all responsible for it ourselves. Nobody's gonna take charge for us. So what I would like to do is glue this clover on the card and then draw a fourth one. So I made the luck myself. Isn't that smart? So let's start. Enough of rambling. Oh yeah, maybe first I should show you this. I just cut out a paper scrap I had and folded it, so it's a card now. So now we can begin. Actually, I'm a bit hooped today, so sorry. And yeah, I'm gonna cut this paper out to use as a background, like so, and just glue it right on top as usual. Kind of a struggle to glue it straight, but it's okay. Now I have here another paper sample. Yeah, it works really perfectly for me to use those color samples from the department store for crafting, because you have so many different colors. It's amazing. This one, if you like it, it's a lemon lime fizz. The one below is dried hummingbird yellow or fresh lemon lime. Actually, like the first one, it sounds like a cocktail, so let's use that one. Just cut the big part out of it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue it almost into the upper corner because of what's coming next. I actually have a second one of those, so I'm gonna cut it in the same way. I hope I hit the right size, because I really never measure at all. That looks solid. So I'm gonna glue it like the upper one almost into the corner. I do it almost so you can still see the original color of the card. That creates a bit more layered look, and I really like that. So yeah, that's why I do it. Then I have this pretty simple bluish greenish paper. I'm gonna try to cut out a rectangle. That's sometimes a bit tricky for me. And that one I'm gonna glue in the middle, like so. I think that's the middle. It looks like it. So to spice it up a bit, I'm gonna glue some washi on the bottom. That one is so pretty. Wow. We're gonna take some washi and do a simple line on top of here. So up next, I'm gonna take clover and I'm gonna glue it here to the corner. What kind of glue I use now is, compared to usually my famous gold glue, is a liquid glue. It's already coming out of the fucking package. Didn't say what kind of glue it is. It's just the liquid one. I feel like it's easier when you have a natural thing to glue, that it's holding up better. What I would usually do when this wouldn't be a video, I would leave it like this, maybe put a book on top to really glue it to the card. You can for sure do that if you want to, but I don't have the time right now, so we just continue and you imagine it was magically pressed overnight or something. For the next step, I'm gonna take a normal black pen and really draw a fourth clover, like so. I did it on purpose a bit smaller because now I'm gonna take a green Sharpie like that. And what I have here is a sticker. Let me put something underneath it. It's a sticker I have from it was actually a pirate kit. I'm just gonna put the treasure where the treasure was supposed to be away, and now we have a really wild arrow. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put the arrow like so it's pointing towards the drawn clover from us, really pointing there. And I have a green normal felt tip pen here, and I'm gonna write "Make your own luck." Pretty simple. Again, like I mentioned in the last video, I suck at hand lettering really bad. Yeah, but if you keep it simple, it can look nice too. So like that. I think that's really sweet looking. Just gonna accent the luck with the dark Sharpie we used earlier. And I'm not lining it up with a green lighter pen to give it a more dimensional look. What I just did is I drawed it over the lines of this little card. That makes it look more tied together actually. Next up, my favorite trick to do, since this arrow sticker has those little dots I use a lot in my craftings, I'm gonna replicate this on the other cards. While I do that, you can take the time to go make a coffee or a tea or something, because it's taking quite a bit. And I'm gonna do the same with a black Sharpie on those two cards. And on the one in the middle. Like so. I realized while I was drawing, I mean I had a lot of time, that the upper side needs something more to pop up. So I decided to take another washi and glue it a bit underneath that, just to brighten it up a bit. There we go. To the inside, I'm not gonna push it down now because the glue from the clover is still wet. To the inside today, I would just like to apply a paper, the paper we used in the front. Just glue a square in it like so. Then on the bottom here, I'm just gonna put the two small washi tapes, and I take the black Sharpie and draw those little lines around this card here as well. By looking at this, I realized it's a bit plain. And I still have from St. Patty's Day a few stickers, so I'm gonna put 4-leaf clovers on top of here. So now the theme is a bit more complete. It has a cute little look. I'm gonna leave this side here plain. I think it's more than enough room to ride. So that's it for today already. I'm surprised myself, it was really fast today, but I so love the look of it, how it turned out. Make your own luck. That's the quintessence from today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm looking forward to the next one. Yeah, let me know if you have wishes or anything. I'm more than happy to look into that. So I wish you a great day. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Lots of love, happy smiles, and hugs. Your Lisa.